630.90 is a full delta. Yes, this is I'm going to feature it live right now. 629.89, we're featuring a 630 put. We had given the limit order out about, I would say well over an hour ago at 560. Now, I'm going to watch and see if it can break above the 630. This is live right now, Corrine, Mr. Gibson. I mean, they're going to bring, and Brian Plain, they're going to bring that price down right here. Look at the highs and lows, 109 highs and 15 lows, and the time is 7:41 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, 3:19, and there's that wholesale bid. We had marked it down to take all the risk out of it now, MMTs. Now, cancel the 560 and take this limit order down to $4.80. That's only based on a lower entry level, okay? But you have to break above see the high 630, and it's starting to reverse, and it is the last print right here. This is live. You can see it. Now, look, we hit a bottom at 590 there based on that 630 high, and that's a 630 put weekly. How to trade weekly options expiration on day 1 Monday of the calendar week. And how the premiums trade today and throughout the week. Now, making a market off of that bottom is you got to break above there. So we finally hit that low. Now, keep those lower bids that I gave you. You can still have the 560 bid, but have those other lower bids below it with higher volume. So test that market with a contract at 560 before we add 10 or 20 contracts to it. Make sure that that low wholesale bid is right there, because it's all about getting that volume count right at that low when this thing is ready to reverse here and now. I'm going to pull up the chart. I'm canceling that 460 bid, and I'm going to go down. I'm going to go down to the 420 bid, MMT, and I'm going to drop my bid down to 420 here based on this making another series of higher highs. And in the MMT platform, you can see the rising diamonds going toward those highs. Therefore, I am going to take it down to that lower bid. I'm going to cancel the 460 bid. I'm canceling that 460 bid based on that breakout. And remember, that reversal wick right here is how they come back in the price. And here's exactly what this part of it looks like. So there's your 151 highs, but your platform already has that factored in with the diamonds. And you're right up here. And there's that reversal wick. And you're going to go right back up and test it. And here you are at the ultimate low of the 630, a weekly put option on Google. And how to steal the bid is that from $9 to $5 last print, that's, if you're buying 10 contracts, that's $4,000 wholesale. Now, I featured the bid at 460. I'm going to remove my risk based on a flash trade that would go through here and move it down into the 420 area below the 460. So that's an 80-cent drop in this bid based on those highs being broke. And that diamond closing above this wick right over here. And we're going toward it. Boom. There's another diamond high. This is live. 3/19/2012, 7:57 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Reversal bar coming into play. Benchmarking a low based on breaking another series of highs, which we have not done. The bid and ask 66 by 86 pennies is closer to the high. Therefore, we'll see what this diamond support level does before buying this low end of that transaction. They've been marked $4 down from there, 1060 down here. That's over $5. Bam, 5.6. 40 pennies inside of here is where we're going to be looking at based on them highs. But you want to remove the risk in case you break above that diamond, this wick right over here, reversal. Okay, so let's see what it does. Do not be fooled because you're closer to the high than the lower range. I mean, we got to break below this half bar MMT, and if we do, we're going to find a low in that price range. We won't see those other lows again if we don't break those highs, and we may have to move in. It's $5 on the low. There's still time as far as that bid and that ask. It has to confirm that it's going to reverse while you're down here at the low bid and ask on a 630 put on Google. Google 630 put option. Time, we're 2 minutes shy of the first 1 hour and 30-minute bell price action. And it's very, very important that people are, trained in that capacity level, because the more forthright we are, the better the risk management tools you have within the overall bid and ask entry and exits, and how to make the market in a wholesale area, meaning that the trend is very strong. So the bull side is you buy here, but you sell when you're selling out of your long position, you got to sell out, but you also have to sell short and take like here it went 1 teeny, 2 teeny, 3 teenies to the diamond. And what is the teeny value in the system? It's very easy, MMT. It's 37 cents times 3. And there's your teeny reversal. And you're coming back up to those highs. Remember when I said you had the reversal, that was just a pullback. Because what happens electronically in high frequency is, if you took a look at weekly charts and you see these big sell wicks on top, well, they do the same thing like Apple did. You can gap back up into the high end of the wick. You'd be looking for the rollover MMT. Once again, featuring wholesale here, being patient for this market to come our way at this key area. And do we break that diamond high here live in 7 minutes with this Google? And here's that chart. And we talked about these lows and how they hold based on, you have to have a reversal though. You didn't break the highs yet. So there's this diamond support level. Didn't break that half bar. Now, this is closing on a lower diamond. What does that mean, MMT? That means that the price is weak at the bottom end of the candle. MMT to the next teeny line support level. Remember, that teeny reversal up here was 3 teenies exactly. So we're looking at where the same type of lower high here could be even 5 teenies down from here live right now. MMT 510 by 530, relatively low to the wholesale bid. Don't ever fear the wholesale bid here. People didn't have any fear at $10 and owning it at $8 and $9, but don't have fear of buying the bottom based on that triple diamond reversal. Right now we have orders going up. I can see one at 520. I see another one. Here they just came in, MMTs right here. They're 510 by 540. You have a triple. Look at that diamond reversal. Now, MMT, if this is going to be a reversal, you're only from the bid to the ask. That's to that intraday high. From the bid to the ask, or from the high. But the ask is over here, and the bid and the ask both are parallel to that. So this side of the market, if this bid rises, then that means that bid and ask is firming up, MMT. But you do know that if this reversal live is going to come into play, that you will close below all of the diamonds and drop down another 3 teenies as you're putting in the top end of that reversal. The other price levels still hold, and that is the first suited reversal within this half bar upper structure. So it's important that this reversal is greater in value than this last half bar here, and that this half bar, this was very narrow range, but the body has to go below the diamonds, MMTs. And when that happens, then the price yield over here on the ask goes higher, and this goes higher. And that's the low of the wholesale bid. It's $5.60 range. It's right there. Here it is. And we're buying negative 5.6 here. And that's based on the top end of that reversal. So we're doing quite well, MMT. Once again, when you get on our alert service, you'll know how to get these from us. But that's an expensive one. See, you gotta, this has to close below it. That's a big pop. But look what happens. You've seen that live. Somebody bought way up here on the high side of the ask. Now look at the spread, 49 cents. Someone sold down here at 49 cents. So you can see the print, 76 cents, back to 49 cents. Now, that's how you hold this lower value, is based on this reversal breaking these diamond lows here, and that this is below this half bar, and you want a 3 teeny below the previous 3-minute half bar, and you want that sell down so that these can go right up there to $6 and you could sell out. That's what the dollar bid and ask rule is I buy a dollar at the very bottom and I sell it back to the public for a profit, but you have to have the actual reversal in play like we do right now live, and we can do this together. We know that, and here it is, half bar reversal. Good luck, MMTs.